Electricals and Electronics ni wauzaji wa bidhaa za kuunganisha stima na pia bidhaa za elektroniki zinazotumia stima kama vile televisheni, hoovers, decoders, birika za kuchemshia maji, mashine za kunyoa nywele, DVD player, bulb za aina zote, power extensions, consumer units, showers, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, hookah sockets, circuit breaker, pasi, insulator, testers, meter boxes na zingine nyingi. Kwa mengi zaidi, watembelee mjini Kisii katika jumba la Gusii Plaza, room namba G2 au wapigie simu kwa nambari 0715009827 au 07186074. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Ondigendrete kobari toeror kigima naneno gendrete kwego kya asokubwate miroberion sigataseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwanso bwo mugusi ekerabona rireri tkori nene ase ensengima ekeroreri tkoyo gochengerwa kwa bangina ase trocha sinsemo au byombe au nigo byabere biweso kya sogo chengera litkeriga awase mujego monene bwe serikali bakokorekana imeje county ya Embu uyebo wikiranwa nabarai au gatiabo murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto amono mokonyo yeri gadigashawa ekerobona bagendrete kwegerera mono umubaro bw'abasibati anene ase oburai cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba mwancu murigereri ekerongo kwarigania SMS Amayia irongo banyebuna narayana kwarigania senchera ereyo wingi nyorabna sensemo ya Facebook naboko gendro tanyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tanyarwetera Ndizi TV News nabayigo ase website ito naboko yasomwetera www.ndizitv.net ero togendre gusanga asobwamo. Eritreane Everlyene Osero uri okaine kya chibichaniro gicha wikera sentra ya bene nigakuru kwa Sara Momanyi ngo kwarganyo beko busanga na inchwe komerio Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ya sentra yo benge tokoya chaka sentra ya bene kurwase county ya Kisii awase ebyombe au byabere biwesokia ase ritkoda lero iro gochengera abasibati ekerori ritkoda gochengera abasibati imeyense engima nigo ime county ya Kisii omoyego yoba okorekana ase geti kya Gusii stadium awase gati ebyombe birebe kirana mone kiombe kia LVCT ekiombe kia USAID International Solidarity Foundation egati yebinde ebinke nomo yegawa gukora no waziri bwege corona boygo gender ase county ya Kisii Eric Miyenda asaboririye abasibati kwegwa mabaga ase oburai boygo nigo babwatani korwa sembyombe byo babire bakwenekia nanigo baragendere ko bwatrana aso kwenekia buna basibati benyorereri bagari yaliyo kwegenderia ase amatukari busyo.
On behalf of Governor of Kisii County, we have one mwezi ase mwabitaba Gusii agotebanga nere o terendire amana baswati bonsi bali leadership baswati bonsi bali baire bako Osero singende yenda yabo agotebanga ne government togenda go protect trade ya baswati ime ya Gusii tirangire bageri ngira nelikinya kitali yawao cyakirega wasi nyero cyegaiga indoche police imbacha KTRH global ni kitali kinde bakire kurwa free screening ya cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer bakire go free screening ya mangana pressure na mangana yesukali igongo wereli ngambi ya mono naende ntebe nga ki civil society organizations bakora wa no mo chairman igaiga amo no ni office of county commissioner mbaira lingambi amono naende asoko liya libaga lyo gochaga iga otugwatesia ero tonyare kubeka liyo giri nene nga abaswati babakire ko ebulibaga lini nasugurai naende kelyo musacha arakore baba teyango muswati nabara akore mono kubwana no musacha warorire abantu abangi baswati abangi bayirulibaga bakore emireme yeremia Gombi mono na otoramo aso sherekea tukeliga naende ntebe nga ndiba obosherekea gusa lakini chakirabu tuchakonyora amatunda aya abantu baitu bameire kuri conference na 20 mwanya bantu obu musati kusubswati biyamani.
Women are a voice that need to be included in the table so that they also drive the development agenda in this county and even abroad. So thank you for the coverage. We have made this work particularly just to be able to tell this woman who is back there in that big work in this country that we value and respect. Be celebrated.
Chinga kiechibaigo go ebyombe binde gati yabo ekyombe kia obomu wechkanisa me county ya Kisii Interfaith Network ekyo kiaberege kobwaterana n'ekyombe kia Young Women Christian Association babere baba bosibaba kumera na emmambe ya rero asensemo ya Salvation Army me ya jogo eryogo chengera ritukeri lyabasibati asekirenga kyabekenana niyo kyarenge gukwanira achinchera cyokorwania chisegi gosoko unererwa kwa basibati asibagendrete kuru kubure ucha sabantu bonsi kwenekia abuna nkorora bare abantu na abare sekerengo ekemo natali okunereria ko bagokwenekiwa aikrero kanira nabasibati abangi nigo bakunerirwa asichinga.
Ritukoria rero ni International Women's Day ritukoria nereria ba kungu tokurisherekea ensengima ne theme ya rero ere invest in women. Progress to accelerate progress. Igemine tinge karatwa invest ya saba kungu amagenderera akaba faster. Na ande twamenya goteba inspire inclusion. Igonga kero muntu nare metari bakungu bo katogo sherekea. Baba basacha baba bakungu egekora kero musacha. Nabwato mukungu asobogima bwaye. Abo omwana oye abe mama omwabo abe mukae abe muswati omwabo. So lero etoroge go celebrate ritukoria International Women's Day. Inspire inclusion and invest in women to accelerate progress. Aserere torase kanisa ya Salvation Army bono mambia egereto nyare ko egere igoro yogo transform norms and religious beliefs chirichi agerire abakungu babeire ko babako unirereniwa amangana SGBV togo kwanira. That is why twaretera abantu be kanisa agaiga na abantu ba begekoro egerete kato kuri culture yaito na mangana religious abandi babiri bakubitumia kogendera kunereria abakungu bone totete kurigeria mangana ali egereto ya onchole kereto kwa na positive masculinity tonyare gwencholi chinguru chiri chia basacha chiwaki asoko konya abakungu mbanyara
nomuge omuyego manene bwense ya Kenya bwogochengera ritkoria bagna nigo bagokorekana imeye county ya Embu yo bwokwarganwa n'umugavana bwe county yo Sislimbarire gokwana adchingaki aikirana nigo murai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto abagagokwarira igoro yo byabwo konyora amazingira mayayo bokoreri ase abangina abwasate babuna babere bagotiwa isiko ase emeroberio au nabo igo kounereri waniga ine kyabuna insi muroberio bo Kenya kwanza o bottom up economic nigo babere bakwene kyabuna basubati babere bakonyora chinga kingiya nabo igo amazingira maya yo wekini anena se amabaga au yo burai.
In our plan, we recognize the need to change the prevailing conditions and situations where female participation is key in key economic sectors remain minimal, with a vast majority of those women who participate being consigned to low-income employment and enterprise and under poor working conditions. Generally speaking, women remained excluded in decision-making within our governance and political institutions, while millions suffer or are vulnerable to sexual and gender-based violence. Moreover, health services have been inadequate for the needs of women and remained inaccessible and unaffordable. Environmental degradation, pollution, and climate change have complicated the lives and livelihoods of women, increasing their responsibilities in unpaid care work and thus accelerating poverty, early marriage, childhood pregnancies, and other disadvantaged conditions. Through highly intentional interventions, our bottom-up economic transformation agenda prescribed a pathway to transform the conditions, contributions, and participation of women in national development by deliberately eliminating every cultural, political, social, and other excuse for treating women unjustly.
Tinga kichwa igoro tona baka ukwanira igoro yokonyora amabagare ngaine unabasacha se abangina ase emerobero ao yeserekari anena se ebirogo byoburayi nagotebamna nigo bagucha kwenekya richiko ria to that gender rule yabere rigo ikirana imense ya Kenya asokwenekya buna abasibatana barabo abere bakwenyorera ribagaligi ya asenchera yogo chengera abangina anigo ruto abaga wachora abangina Ikomi abo barachiye gotenenerense ya Kenya se Chinsa jesko gose ambassador asiboiga bagagochora bangina batano nomo abo bare abakonyi baba ambassador abo asenchereyemo abiyoko jakwenekia buna umubaro monene bwabasibati obeire go kwenekiwa ase gosigokorokana asoburai inse serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
Katiba ya Kenya inasema ya kwamba wamama wapatiwe nafasi sawa na wanaume katika uongozi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Na sababu hiyo tumekuwa tukijaribu kubadilisha katiba ndio kina mama wapate nafasi yao katika uongozi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Nataka niwaambie kina mama ya kwamba niliandika taarifa kwa bunge letu la Kenya kuwashawishi ya kwamba hii changamoto tumekuwa nayo, mambo ya katiba ambayo tulipitisha ya kuwapatia kina mama nafasi yao ya uongozi katika Kenya. Jameni, safari hii tuungane sote, kina mama pamoja na wanaume, kubadilisha sheria yetu ndio kina mama wapate nafasi yao ya uongozi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Leo asubuhi, kwa sababu ya heshima ya kina mama wa taifa letu la Kenya, leo asubuhi nimewapatia kina mama 10 kuwa mabalozi wetu katika nchi mbalimbali ya dunia, na vile vile kuwapatia kina mama wengine 6 deputy ambassadors kama pia heshima ya siku hii ya
Waziri wa Burundi Waime Kidure Kindiki nigo rure ogochika gukunganywa kwa bobisa bo Burundi gusabanya nyimbo ko rwase ebitwe bagokorera emirimo ekero yayikerere buna omo bisa bereka okore emirimo asegeka kemyaka 3 aya nenchireye moyo kwenekia buna okubwaterana kwa bere gokororo naboigo obwamatobu ya bwabere bokororoka na senchireye moyo kurwania obusagani naboigo ebikore abyo busali byabere bikonekiwa ase Chinsemo awaniga ya kwana chinga kekirana ime ye county ya Muranga asenchira mu yogo kwanira mangana rengete oburendi ase Chinsemecho.
All officers who have served for more than 3 years anywhere in Kenya must leave to other stations, and that exercise begins today. Nobody who has stayed and compiled, the teams must compile the names, help us to identify, because I know we can't rely only on HR people. We want to rely on you as the field people to tell us any officer who has served for more than 3 years in one station must leave. So this is not the other operation to fight and save businesses and save I don't know what. Just like we do in the fight against terror and other tier 1 national security threats, we will go out of our way and destroy anything that stands between the government of Kenya and the success of this operation. Trust you me. What the politicians can do, we are not chasing them completely because they are our brothers and sisters. We need them. They are the ones who make the laws for us. They are useful people. They are useful partners. But their role in this matter is, one, to pray for us so that we succeed, because we must succeed to save our country.
Magega yaba wakiri baye Joseph Irungu yomanyekaine buna Jowi gote guseko kuruo gusaba kwabo ase ekina ukona chawe kina kya Jowi gusiko bosio iriwa bagwikirania okwegerera kwabo nigo ekigambiro ekenene kyabage gusikya mutwe ukona choko wikaritko ria Jumatano ikego cha nigo ukona chakora chikoruo kurwe wane magega ya Jowi konyorekana na mamocho yokumuita omoncho yomo aserieta Monica Kimani.
I did not have any other document for me to consider, to sit down, even if it was overnight, to prepare my judgment on sentence. I was made to understand the Office of the Directorate of Public Prosecution filed their submissions at 5:30 p.m. I have been made to understand that the Victims' Family Council filed submissions this morning at 7, rather last night at 7 p.m. The only document from the accused points is a notice of change of advocate, and there are no submissions filed as I'm sitting here at this hour. So the question I would like all of you to answer to the hearing of the public and of course the good media here is, how is the court supposed to work when we are filing documents at the hours?
Abarai aoni go bagendrete go kwanera bokoreri gatia serikali nene na boigo serikali Church County go kwane mimucho na Ivasha ase ege emusangire kanoni kamati eyo koligereria abo bokoreri gatia serikali nene na boigo serikali Church County nigo omo senator buye county ya Bomet Larisige ya bereka gotabuna emero bire menke ye serikali Church County nigo ego ikiraniwa ne serikali enene nigo nonyana bochinga kechi abaga gotabuna emero obosema kongu au nigara gendre kwene kiwa ase serikali Church County gati yabo okomentakana kwa madenyi onye engane yote rigo chikorigererwa buya nene nabarai kurwa ase serikali Church County eri kwene kyabuna obokoreri oboikirano bwaberi bokurwa gucyase abananchi.
The fourth schedule of the Constitution sets out the functional assignment between the two levels of government. We are still building on the immense work done by the Transition Authority, led by former chairperson Mr. Momanyi, and I commend IGTRC for delivering on their mandate on this front. Additionally, some functions belonging to counties are still in the process being unbundled, costed, and transferred to counties together with their facilitating resources. The Senate Committee on Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations, working with IGRTC to ensure functions are conclusively transferred and adequately resourced. Secondly, honorable ladies and
Namanya nyimbo kurwa sege taseni kia Migori kie kutoka ase sub-county ya Kuria nigo imambiarira baba okora obunyabyo butindi ase orobebega tiense ya Kenya na bigo ense ya Tanzania asbaba kubeka byara enyasore chiguni Ikomi yusaine chiringi chimilioni emeronko ibere karengana n'umukomanda abo banyanyimbo imeye county ya Migori Francis Nguli nigatabuna enyasore ntangani nigo yabwatwa chinga kiarenge gosombwa wetera centura yepipi Senya sore yakabire yabage kubwatwa nega kera segari asegari yegendrete gutangwa asegetaseni kyabanyanyimbo nigo chinga kyecho arwe kurate ntindi na utana nigo baragendere gukora obunyabyo buhere kwene kyabale bonse bakwibwatani no bosombi nabo igobo nyabo murego yo gutinda nigo baraciye kwimukirwa egetambukira korengana lirichiko.
We are able to impound netting at least a total of 10 sacks, that is of cannabis sativa, that is bangi. One of the bags, it had stones of cannabis sativa, and 9 of them, it was the fine bangi, which was ready for market through our officers. During the process, we were able to arrest one suspect. The street value of the same was totaling to 14,900,000 Kenya shillings. At the same time, after that operation, we continued with the same, and within our town, here in Isibania, we were able also to trace a Matatu Nissan, which was dodging the police, but through the information and the intelligence that we had, we also impounded that matatu of one of the circles in Migori, and in that matatu there was one sack and several stones of the same valued at
Wanchi umurigeria inarna kwariganirete SMS Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge kurenda yamunenda mangino chukwe nyora senchera yobwikiranu ekirera rage enseyemo naboigo Chinsa isato nararetwa sore nere Vincent Onyancha ekirobara bakubwaterana nerende mo Stephen korwa sense meria yechigosori go numanchi umurigereri to basagoskare ntogendrego kumanya amange bunagendrete wateka asenchera ere yobwikiranu asemero berionsi Ndizi TV gendrego tonyora sense moya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asense moja YouTube watunyari wetra Ndizi TV News na waigase website yeto na buko ya somo wetra www.ndizitv.net eri otogendre gusanga asobwamo eritrene Everlyene Osero Sara Momanyi heroine kyachibicha neriogi cha wikera centre yabene gukuganeria oborigereri borobya asemiro bire kubwatya na boigo emagoroba erentoerero